I guys came to put a roof rack to the Nissan Patrol. I always go here. Roof carrier systems, roof carrier system, Bourke Road, Camberwell. Never let me down. I know them for almost I think 15 something years. I had the roof rack for one of my van, Mercedes-Benz Vito. And then I had a rack for Toyota Hilux, all Hilux, and then Land Cruiser, my 79 series, and now Nissan Patrol. All gonna get always roof carrier system. Highly recommend. So nothing at the moment, just the roof. I really need to touch up that paint over there before it become a problem. Yeah, so that's them, roof carrier system. That's the phone number, 469 Bourke Road.
For this sort of things, I always get professionals to do it. Look, I could go ahead and buy it myself and then do it by myself, but when it comes to road, is lots of safety involved. I do not want to take a risk, so I want to get it done first, get it done right at the first place, rather than doing all those adjustments or worst case scenario involving in sticky situations like accidents and stuff like that. Plus they do all those fine tunings, as you can see on the video. So they put it on and then they remove it again and put it on again, and did some measurements nearly 4 or 5 times until it get finally to perfect level, perfect measurements. Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do those stuff. So yeah, so always when you installing roof carrier systems, just get it done by professionals. It's really worthy doing that way. Once again, as always, 15 years, I'm so happy with their service. Roof carrier systems, Bourke Road, in Camberwell. Never let me down. Really professional service. Now I have more room to carry my stuff, and then look, I love my car as well. This car can carry loads of stuff.